Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where today we will discuss the best wall speakers on the market. So let's get started. And by the way, all the links to all the featured products are given in the description below. Starting us off, the best overall, Polk Audio. Fill a room with music by installing this pair of white RC65i in-wall speakers of Polk Audio. Created for installation in any wall or ceiling, the speakers have a broad dispersion pattern, amiable swivel mount tweeters that will allow you to direct their sound. Each speaker highlights a 6.5-inch mineral-filled polypropylene cone mid-bass driver with a 0.75-inch soft dome tweeter. They are perfect for internal or external mounting, as the core electrical elements have been expertly crafted and housed using state-of-the-art durable, moisture-resistant materials. The polymer composite cone is mineral-filled and sat in a rubber surround. It provides audio with dynamic balance. The dedicated tweeter is a conventional soft dome and is swivel-mounted like its competition above. It has a broad dispersion design and can fill bigger spaces. It has smooth rotational cams to aid in quick installation. While the bass is powerful on its own, we recommend pairing it with a subwoofer for an exceptional low-frequency response. Speaking of setup, don't be intimidated by the installation process. Polk gives a template. Simply tape it to your wall, trace the template, cut the drywall, connect the wires, and drop everything into place. Best Premium, Klipsch R. Created specifically for architectural audio, the Klipsch R 5650 W2 in-wall loudspeaker is proper for home theater or stereo music applications. The horn-loaded technology enhances acoustic output while decreasing distortion, and the Pivoting Tractrix Horn tweeter guarantees to deliver clear sound in any location. Highlighting a 6.5-inch Cerametallic woofer cone for even stronger bass output, along with a 1-inch titanium tweeter mated to a square 90 by 60-inch Pivoting Tractrix Horn, this speaker gives natural precision, clarity, and effectiveness. The addition of a linear travel suspension to the tweeter increases high-frequency detail and smoothness. The pivoting horn enables listeners to point the sound straight to the main listening area, decreasing reflected sounds that smear sound and building a large soundstage with well-defined imaging. The treble and bass contour switches provide sound customization in less than ideal speaker placement positions. This in-wall speaker also consistently produces thrilling, realistic sound, whether it's installed horizontally or vertically. It features all new Sure Grip mounting dogs that give even pressure against drywall for long-term installation reliability, and includes a paintable grille that blends in ideally with any decor. Bass and treble switches with custom EQ settings enable the speaker to be tailored to its environment, while IR receiver knockout holes provide for infrared repeaters, bringing custom configuration to installers. Best Value, CT Sounds Bio. For those looking forward to having some rock-solid and quality audio in their home walls, we advise you to have a good look at this Bio in-wall 6.5-inch home audio speaker. This 6.5-inch in-wall speaker set is a rectangular-shaped box-like set that comprises a rotatable 25mm silk dome tweeter and a quality 8-inch woofer. There is a quality crossover circuitry behind that ideally allocates frequencies to the tweeter and the woofer. It gives the best bang for your buck for theater quality home audio. You will experience a clean, crisp, smooth sound without distortions. These babies pack a severe punch and are created for those who demand more while paying less. The home audio speaker is a premium, dynamic balanced in-wall 8-inch speaker that gives more vibrant sound tones. You will experience, hear, and feel the sound like never before. The metallized silk dome tweeter adds more depth to your song. You will undergo clean sound without any distortions. The sound is smooth and crisp. The home audio theater speaker carries a serious punch. Unleash the sound of CT, made for those who dare. For higher strength and rigidity, the speaker highlights a mineral-filled polymer cone and solid composite driver baskets that strongly align the moving parts, which produces a broader dispersion of even sound coverage. The best Splurge, Yamaha NS. The NS IW660 three-way in-wall speaker system of Yamaha comes as a set of two easy-to-install in-wall front center speakers. The system emphasizes a customized, high-quality crossover network to guarantee the highest sound performance. The crossover circuit is created to minimize distortion and limit the distortion of transients as they pass within the network. It produces high-quality sound for the most demanding custom applications. The NS IW660 speaker system highlights a 6.5-inch Kevlar cone woofer, 1.6-inch aluminum dome mid-range driver, and 1-inch titanium dome tweeter. The gold-plated push-type speaker terminals, paintable grilles and frames, cutout template, and paint protective cover easy installation. The tweeter and mid-range driver could be turned to aim high-frequency sounds towards the central listening position by just pressing the edge of the tweeter to change the direction it faces. The high-frequency level of the tweeter can be changed by utilizing a high-level adjuster to suit your taste or installation environment. With each speaker packing between 50 to 150 watts of power, there's a small question that they carry a punch that'll delight and intensify every Netflix binging session. The white mesh cover is painted to already match existing white walls, but it's detachable for easy painting to match any color in your home. Best budget, Pyle PDIW. The Pyle PDIW 656-inch two-way in-wall speaker pair highlights two indoor speakers that can be mounted flush in either the wall or ceiling. The PDIW 65 is ideal for playing music or voice and highlights 200 watts of power and 4 to 8 ohms of impedance. It delivers stereo sound to any room in your home or office without cluttering floor space. This pair of 6.5-inch speakers can be used for your in-wall and in-ceiling applications as they mount flush for a clean look. Ideal for custom installations, the Do Series speakers highlight effective power handling capability, high-temperature voice coils, and high-efficiency response rates, all to create a full and rich sound. Convenient speaker terminals provide a quick and hassle-free speaker wire connection. The system comprises a cutout template for easy installation. Achieve wide-range sound performance and add audio to any room with the Do speaker systems. This dual speaker is provided with 6.5-inch Midas and high-performance 1/2-inch polymer tweeter with a 1-inch high-temperature voice coil for full-range surround stereo sound reproduction and robust bass response.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.